Hey everybody, I'm just about at that hangry state. So I'm super hungry. So right now I'm gonna make a quick meal that's super healthy, and it consists of mushrooms, which are really good for you, filled with amino acids, and spinach, which is also really good for you. It fills you up, it's good for your bloodstream, it's also good for your immune system. So eat a lot of spinach, it makes you really strong. Yeah. All right. So I have my mushrooms here, and I do have my brown rice already cooking. All right. So I'm making fried rice with mushrooms and spinach. Okay. So that's been cooking a while. I'm going to let that sit out, turn it down. But I have the mushrooms here, right? And so the mushrooms itself, you just want to dice up as small as you can. The key is to curl your knuckles in when you're cooking, or actually when you're chopping. It will help you not cut yourself. Okay, so it's almost like this. If I could do it, guys, you can. It's super easy, okay? So you want to do it this way, and then you also want to do it the opposite way to make sure, I turn this here, to make sure you get it cut very nicely. And you let the knife do the work for you, okay? And then that's it. Now the spinach, the same thing. So I've already chopped the mushrooms up. They're super yummy. I'm gonna add them. I'm turn you this way here. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna add them to my brown rice. About half of those. I do have my spinach here. The spinach itself, like I said, you chop with your knuckles in. And you just want to chop them up to where they're fine and smaller, almost like a parsley in a sense. So just dice them up as much as you can. Oh, camera down. I'm back. All right, so like I said, the opposite direction. Okay, they don't have to be perfect, but you want to get them diced up a little smaller. They're going to cook down anyway. Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to put that into our brown rice. Turn you back this way. Put this back into our brown rice. About half of that. And then you combine it together. Super easy, guys. You have it combined. You're going to mix it in with the rice. I'm going to add a little extra virgin olive oil. I already put pepper in, cinnamon, and garlic. So it's going to taste really good. And it's pretty much done. This meal maybe, I would say, here you go. This meal maybe was, I don't know, $10 to $12. Costed, like I said, 10 or 12 bucks, but maybe 20 minutes at the most to make, but it's super easy. So whenever you get super hungry, make sure you have things in your house that you can use that will make your body feel good, and it will actually give you the strength and energy you need instead of putting junk in your body. Because as you know, we are what we eat. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. I'll see you next time on another Duke's Deals post. Who loves you, baby? Peace.